Christmas is my favorite time of the year, it also brings with it a nightmare of leftover ingredients. Just last night I had some friends over for dinner. They were craving my maple chili roast chicken, and as always I went overboard with nearly a chicken extra. What do you do with that? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take chicken and make a fantastic chicken and biscuit cobbler. This one is an indulgent treat, so into a cast iron goes in about 20 mils of fresh ginger oil along with a blob of butter, nearly 20 grams of butter. Allow it to melt, infuse, and into that you add nearly 9 cloves of garlic finely minced up. Just allow everything to mix and amalgamate really well together. Want the garlic to infuse and not brown, so about a minute in goes 1 leek just roughly cut up and 2 red carrots cut up as well. And I'm trying to use odds and ends in the kitchen, and that's a sneaky way of getting things done during the Christmas week. Just allow this to saute and infuse along with 8 or 9 chipotle peppers for that gorgeous Christmassy red color. As the leeks get a luscious green color, into that goes 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and about a handful of haricot beans just cut into 1-inch batons. Just allow all these vegetables to infuse now with each other, cooking on the highest possible temperature. 2 to 3 minutes later, now I have some Chardonnay white wine lying in the refrigerator, so about 100 mils of that goes in, just so that the vegetables absorb all that goodness, and allow it to nicely now braise in the white wine. In goes 1/3 cup of refined flour, and we're creating a very mock style of a roux. Just get to stirring this for a good 3 to 4 minutes till it darkens in color. Stirring this for 4 to 5 minutes gives you a nice nutty scent in your kitchen, and that happens with the flour getting a perfect blonde stage, or rather a blonde roux. Now at this stage you take nearly 3 cups of hot chicken stock and pour that right in. Stir it so that everything comes together, emulsifying well. Allowing this to bubble for 2 to 3 minutes, in goes that chicken that I shredded and put right in. Just allow it to now absorb the flavors and thicken up overall. Now while the maple and chili roast chicken has a distinct flavor, you want to mask that, and that comes together with some mixed herbs. Nearly about 1.5 teaspoons of that, along with nearly half a bunch of some finely chopped cilantro. Just put that in and allow it to come together, simmering away for a good 4 to 5 minutes. As this simmers away, a quick sprinkling of some Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt, and these are great hacks to mask the maple chili roast chicken in it. Creating the biscuit topping for this fantastic cobbler is really simple. So into a bowl goes in 3 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to season that with some celery sea salt just to subtly flavor it. Into this now goes in nearly 3/4 of a cup of melted butter and 1.5 cup of this lovely beautiful milk, that's the buttermilk. Just pour all that in and lightly bring it together till it just about leaves the sides. With the velouté nearly well done, I'm just going to switch off the flame and take large chunks of this like dollops and place it on top. Just keep it as rustic and as random as possible. Into a preheated oven, this goes at 200 degrees centigrade for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check it occasionally to get the perfect golden brown color. With the biscuit perfectly browned up on top, this gorgeous creation is ready. Now, while Christmas is indulgence personified, it is also about sneakily using leftovers so that you don't, more importantly, waste ingredients that you have lying about. The maple chili roast chicken is still the star, but manages to subtly enhance things with that mix of herbs that go right in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.